Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be talking about the male and the female reproductive system. I'm going to talk about the components within each reproductive system, and I'm also going to show you visuals of each component that I talk about within the female and the male reproductive system. All of the components and the structures that are a part of the reproductive system all play an important role in making and the transportation of the gametes and the production of sex hormones. There are 7 components / structures that I'm going to be talking about that are a part of the reproductive system, and the first one I'm going to talk about is the ovaries. The ovaries are small glands that make up the female sex hormones. There are 2 sets of ovaries that are found on the left and the right sides of our pelvic area. They make estrogen, proestrogen, and ova, which are all female sex hormones. Next, I'm going to talk about the fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes are muscular tubes that are covered in cilia. They are funnel-shaped and located on the superior corners of the uterus. Fimbria, which is a tissue that is located around the ostium of the fallopian tubes, picks up and releases ovia and carries them into the infundibulum for transportation to the uterus. Third is the uterus. The uterus is hollow but muscular and is an organ that is located posterior and superior to the bladder. The uterus is also what we know as the womb and is the inner portion which is in the endometrium, which gives support to the embryo during development. Next is the vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube that connects to the cervix of the uterus to the outside of the body. The walls of the vagina are covered with mucous membranes, which protects it and keeps it moist. There are 3 purposes for the vagina. Sexual intercourse, it is a pathway where the baby leaves a woman's body, and it is the way the menstrual blood leaves the body during a menstrual cycle. Next is the vulvar. The vulvar is the external part of the female genitalia, which protects the woman's sexual organs, urinary openings, vestibule, and vagina. The vulvar is located right in the center. The outer and the inner lips of the vulvar are the labia majora and the labia minora. The vestibule is the opening of the vagina, and the perineum is the area under the vulvar near the anus. Finally, we have the mammary glands and the breast. The mammary glands are the sudoriferous gland that makes milk. It becomes active during pregnancy and beyond. The mammary glands are glands that are used for producing milk to the babies. The mammary glands, which are about 15 to 20 clusters, work during a woman's pregnancy and continue working and producing milk until it is not needed anymore. As far as the breasts, they are organs that are made up of mammary glands, milk ducts, and adipose tissue. Now I'm going to discuss the male reproductive system. All components of the male reproductive system work together to make sperm and or other components of semen. First, I will talk about the scrotum. The scrotum is a bag of skin and muscle that provides the testes with a chamber for optimal sperm production and is responsible for keeping the temperature of the testes at a lower temperature than the body. Next are the testes, which are where male sperm is made and testosterone and other androgens are produced. Next are the spermatic ducts. Each ejaculation duct is about 2 centimeters in length and is created when the seminal vessels duct merges with the vas deferens. At this point, these ducts travel through the prostate and, at its far end, drain into the colliculus salutaris urethra. Semen flows through each ejaculatory duct during ejaculation, traveling through the penis to exit the body. Next are the sex glands. The sex glands make seminal fluid, clean, and lubricate the urethra. The sex glands are both reproductive organs and a urinal duct and is made of the corpus cavernosum tissues. Finally is the penis, which is an external male organ and is made up of 3 layers of spongy tissues. The 3 parts are the root, the body, and the glands.